Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a little bit of a cold, so just bear with me. I know I've uploaded a lot of videos with some of my paper mache projects, but I don't believe I've uploaded the video for that paste that I use. I actually use two. This one is the one that doesn't require any cooking. It's just a flour paste, and I've got about a cup of flour in here. And I'm going to put in about a cup of warm water. We'll start with that and just whisk. And I have this bowl designated for this specifically. It's all I use it for. Just keep whisking. You want to get it as many of the lumps out as you can. And that looks looking pretty good. It's almost like a pancake batter. The consistency that I look for, because I don't want it really thick. I want it a little bit thin, because as it sits, I've noticed it tends to thicken a little bit while I'm working with it. So if I have a large project and I have a pretty large batch, then I don't want it to get too thick. So there it is. Again, it's kind of like the consistency of pancake batter. And you would just slide your strips of paper through it and go directly to your paper mache project. I do like this one, but I also like the one that is made with cornstarch, and you have to cook it just a little bit. So I'll go ahead and make a batch of that as well, just so you can see what it should look like. Alright, be right back. Alright, I have put 1/3 cup of cornstarch in my pot, and I'm just going to pour in a little bit of cold water. Doesn't have to be much. Cornstarch just melts down better in cold water than in hot, dissolved. So it looks like we have just a little bit of milk in a pan, really. Alrighty. And I'm going to turn that on just a little. Maybe on medium high. I have been boiling some water, or getting it warm. I'm going to go ahead and pour that in. You can see it steaming. And then we're just going to keep stirring this. You can see it still looks a little milky. As this starts to heat up, the cornstarch is going to start to thicken this, and it'll turn translucent. It won't go completely clear, just a little translucent, almost like when you're cooking a white onion, and as it cooks it gets that translucent look about it. And we just keep going. I used to put cold water in and turn the burner on and let it, simmer and thicken. And I realized that by having hot water ready to go in, it did speed the process up a little bit. And both of these are great recipes to use. I just happened to see both of them and wanted to try them both. I do tend to like this one if my project has a lot of little cracks and crevices, little nooks and crannies I'm trying to get into. This one has a nice slip to it, very slick. And I can take my hands and really mold with it. The other one tends to be a little different to work with, and it'll even chip off if you have like a thick layer of it on there. So I like this one for the small things. Now I will probably speed up this video so you don't have to sit here and watch me stir liquid. Alright, so we are back, and as you can see, it's really gotten thick and really got a translucent look to it. Instead of milky white, now it's got that semi-clear look. Very, very thick. What I would do now is remove this from the heat and put it out in a bowl and let it cool off until I can handle it. But I don't wait for it to get cold. If it's warm, all the better. I go right in with it. But both of these are very affordable to make, so I hope this helps you out. Thanks, guys, and hopefully I'll get back on schedule next week, feeling a little bit better, and have some more videos ready to go. Have a great week. Bye-bye.